So here comes the moment. It's the big reveal.
Big old seat bounce whip. Going back to back with the seat bounce whips. And right there as he cranks the handlebars, looks across the other side there. The still shots are quite amazing of that.
He owns 3 gold medals and 2 silver in this event. We talked about Jared McNeil, 5-time gold medalist here in Best. Him in competition out here yet today. He is the man playing host here. This is none other than Axel Hodges. He is a 9-time X Games medalist. He owns 3 gold, 4 silver, 2 bronze.
Yeah, and after missing the podium last year, you know, Axel's determined he wants to get back in there and get a medal this year.
This holds up. He'll be running the trifecta. He'll have one of each.
Really hoping Van Stippen throws another one off the 110 here. I just want to check this out because it is huge.
He sits in that number 2 spot for right now.
Oh my, yes, that is insane.
That would be impressive in 2 X Games starts to walk out with 2 medals. He got a bronze in cheating.